Today I would like to explain the Apple AirTag. The details of Apple AirTag is brand Apple are yes, batteries included, color white, number of batteries 1 lithium metal batteries required, included item 1.6 and 1.6 multiply of 0.31 inches. About this item, keep track of and find your items alongside friends and devices in the Find My app. A simple one-tap setup instantly connection AirTag with your iPhone or iPad. Play a sound on the built-in speaker to help find your things, or just ask Siri for help. Precision finding with Ultra Wideband technology leads you right to your nearby AirTag on select iPhone models. Find items further away with the help of hundreds of millions of Apple devices in the Find My network. Put AirTag into lost mode to be automatically notified when it's detected in the Find My network. All communication with the Find My network is anonymous and encrypted for privacy. Location data and history are never stored on AirTag. Replaceable battery last over a year. AirTag is IP67 water and dust resistant. Make AirTag yours with a range of colorful accessories sold separately. Now I would like to show in video. Now I am showing some images. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to buy this product, please go to description for affiliate link.